The 5 a.m. Club is a self-help book written by Robin Sharma. The 5 a.m. Club is a self-help book written by Robin Sharma that aims to help readers cultivate a daily routine of productivity and self-improvement. The book's central message is that waking up at 5 a.m. and using the early morning hours to engage in activities like exercise, meditation, and creative work can lead to a more successful and fulfilling life. The book is divided into 3 main sections. In the first section, The Early Risers, Sharma discusses the benefits of waking up early and how to develop the habit of rising at 5 a.m. Waking up at 5 a.m. and using the early morning hours for activities like exercise, meditation, and creative work can lead to a more successful and fulfilling life. He explains that waking up early allows you to take advantage of the miracle morning, a time when the world is quiet and undisturbed, and you can focus on your own goals and priorities without distractions. He also provides tips and strategies for overcoming common obstacles to waking up early, such as lack of motivation or difficulty falling asleep at a reasonable hour. The second section, the 20-20-20 formula, provides a step-by-step guide for building a daily routine around the 5 a.m. club principles. The 20-20-20 formula refers to the idea of spending 20 minutes each on exercise, meditation, and learning or creative work in the morning. Sharma argues that this combination of activities can help improve focus, creativity, and overall well-being. The final section, The Creative Genius, focuses on the importance of creativity and how to cultivate it in your daily life. Sharma offers practical advice for overcoming creative blocks and finding inspiration, as well as techniques for boosting creativity and innovation. Throughout the book, Sharma incorporates personal anecdotes and stories from successful individuals who have implemented the 5 a.m. club principles in their own lives. The book concludes with a call to action, encouraging readers to embrace the 5 a.m. club mindset and put its principles into practice in their own lives. Outline for the story of the 5 a.m. club. Introduction. The concept of the 5 a.m. club is introduced, along with the benefits of waking up early and starting the day with a focus on personal growth and productivity. The science behind early rising. The book explores the scientific evidence that suggests early risers are often more successful and discusses the various ways in which waking up early can lead to greater productivity and well-being. Developing a morning routine. Sharma provides tips and strategies for developing a morning routine that includes exercise, meditation, and focused work, and discusses the benefits of each of these activities. Overcoming obstacles. The book offers guidance on how to overcome common obstacles to waking up early, such as lack of motivation or difficulty falling asleep at night. Success stories. Sharma shares stories and advice from successful individuals who have incorporated the principles of the 5 a.m. club into their own lives. Balance and self-care. The book emphasizes the importance of balance and self-care and encourages readers to prioritize their physical and mental well-being. Conclusion. The book concludes with a summary of the key takeaways from the 5 a.m. club and encourages readers to incorporate the principles of the club into their own lives. Practical implications of learning from the book The 5 a.m. Club. The 5 a.m. Club is a productivity and personal development book written by Robin Sharma that focuses on the benefits of starting the day early and using the first hours of the morning to focus on personal growth and productivity. The book suggests that waking up at 5 a.m. and following a daily routine that includes exercise, learning, and creative work can help individuals achieve success in their personal and professional lives. One practical implication of the lessons from the 5 a.m. club is that it can help individuals develop a more structured and disciplined approach to their daily routine. By waking up early and setting aside dedicated time for exercise, learning, and creative work, individuals can increase their focus and productivity throughout the day. This can help them achieve their goals and make progress in their personal and professional endeavors. Another practical implication of the lessons from the 5 a.m. club is that it can help individuals prioritize their time and focus on what is most important to them. By setting aside dedicated time for personal growth and productivity in the morning, individuals can ensure that they are focusing on their priorities and not wasting time on distractions or unimportant tasks. Overall, the lessons from the 5 a.m. club can help individuals develop a daily routine that supports their personal and professional goals and leads to greater success and fulfillment in life. Major quotes and explanation. Here are a few major quotes from the 5 a.m. club and their explanations with examples. 1. The early bird gets the worm. This quote suggests that those who are proactive and take action early in the day are more likely to succeed or achieve their goals. For example, waking up at 5 a.m. and starting your day with exercise, learning, and creative work can give you a head start on the day and increase your chances of success. 2. Successful people are the ones who get things done, not the ones who just talk about doing things. This quote emphasizes the importance of taking action and not just talking about what you want to do. For example, if you want to start a business, it's not enough to just talk about it, you need to take concrete steps to turn your idea into a reality. 3. The future belongs to the learners, not the knowers. This quote suggests that those who are constantly learning and adapting to new challenges will have a greater chance of success in the future. For example, if you want to stay relevant and competitive in your field, it's important to continuously learn and grow. 4. Your habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. This quote highlights the importance of developing good habits as they can have a significant impact on your personal growth and development over time. For example, if you want to improve your physical fitness, developing a habit of exercising regularly will lead to gradual and sustained improvements. 5. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. This quote encourages taking action in the present, even if it's not the ideal time. For example, if you want to start saving for retirement, it's better to start now, even if you feel like you don't have enough money, rather than waiting until it's too late. Key insights from the book The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Here are a few key insights from the 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Waking up early and starting the day with a routine that includes exercise, learning, and creative work can increase productivity and success. 1. Taking action and implementing your ideas is more important than just talking about them. 2. Continuous learning and personal growth are essential for long-term success. 3. Good habits can have a compound effect on personal development and success. 4. It's never too late to take action and start working towards your goals. 5. Achieving success requires a combination of hard work, discipline, and focus. 6. The morning hours are the most valuable and productive time of the day, and using them effectively can set the tone for the rest of the day. 7. Focusing on your values and priorities can help you make better decisions and achieve greater fulfillment in life. Why a person should read the book The 5 a.m. Club. There are several reasons why a person might want to read The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Times to increase productivity and achieve success. The book suggests that waking up early and following a structured daily routine can increase productivity and help individuals achieve their goals. Times to develop good habits. The book emphasizes the importance of developing good habits and how they can have a compound effect on personal growth and success. Times to improve time management. The book provides tips and strategies for managing time effectively and making the most of the morning hours. Times to increase focus and discipline. The book encourages readers to cultivate focus and discipline in order to achieve their goals and make progress in their personal and professional endeavors. Times to improve overall well-being. The book suggests that a structured daily routine that includes exercise, learning, and creative work can lead to greater overall well-being and fulfillment in life. Overall, The 5 a.m. Club is a book that can help individuals develop a more productive and fulfilling daily routine and achieve greater success in their personal and professional lives. The summary of the key takeaways from The 5 a.m. Club, a book by Robin Sharma. The 5 a.m. Club is a self-help book written by Robin Sharma that focuses on the benefits of waking up early and starting the day with a focus on personal growth and productivity. Here are some of the key takeaways from the book. Waking up early can lead to greater productivity and success. The book suggests that waking up at 5 a.m. and using this time for self-improvement can help individuals achieve their goals and lead more fulfilling lives. A morning routine can improve well-being. Sharma recommends developing a morning routine that includes exercise, meditation, and focused work, and discusses the various benefits of each of these activities. Overcoming obstacles to waking up early is key. The book offers practical tips and strategies for overcoming common obstacles to waking up early, such as lack of motivation or difficulty falling asleep at night. Balance and self-care are important. The 5 a.m. Club emphasizes the importance of balance and self-care and encourages readers to prioritize their physical and mental well-being. Success stories can be inspiring and informative. Sharma shares stories and advice from successful individuals who have incorporated the principles of the 5 a.m. Club into their own lives, providing inspiration and guidance for readers. Overall, the key takeaways from the 5 a.m. Club encourage readers to prioritize personal growth and productivity by waking up early and developing a morning routine that includes exercise, meditation, and focused work, while also prioritizing balance and self-care.